Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to practice our 2D shapes. So before you start your assignment, we're going to kind of label some 2D shapes and just figure out what are the sides and vertices. So all of these shapes are 2D shapes. The majority of them are polygons, but some are not polygons. Do you guys remember what makes a polygon? So it has to be closed, it has to have straight lines, and how many sides? At least 3. So we have a circle. Does a circle have 3 sides? No, it doesn't. What about an oval? Do these have straight lines? No. So these are non-polygons. They're still part of 2D shapes, but they're not polygons. The rest of the shapes that we have here will be polygons that we're going to label. Okay, so the first shape that we see, I'm looking for one that has 3 sides. Can you think of a 3-sided polygon? 3-sided polygon. That would be a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It has vertices and sides. So first, let's label that side, just so everybody remembers what a side is. This part right there, that's our side. Great job. Now we're going to talk about 4-sided shapes. Does anybody remember the last name of a 4-sided shape? 4-sided. It's a quadrilateral. So help me find all of our quadrilaterals here. So our first one, I see a square. Obviously, a square is a quadrilateral because it has 4 equal sides. I'm going to put that right there. Next one, rectangle. Rectangles and squares are super similar. The only thing that's different is that a rectangle has 2 sides of equal length and a square has 4 sides of equal length. Because on the rectangle, the top and bottom are equal and the sides are equal, but they're not all 4 equal. Next one would be maybe a rhombus. We used to call this a diamond, but now we call it a rhombus. A rhombus is like a square. It has 4 equal sides, but it has small angles on the inside, so it kind of looks squished. And our last quadrilateral, can you guys help me find it? The trapezoid. Good. So the trapezoid is interesting because the sides are equal, but the top and bottom are not equal. Okay, next we're going to do our 5-sided shape. And if you don't know, I would just count the sides of all these shapes. I see the pentagon. Good. We're going to skip 6. That would be a hexagon, but we don't have a picture of that. We're going to go on to number 7, which is a heptagon, and number 8, which is an octagon. I'm going to make this octagon really big so that we can label the vertice. Can anybody help me? Where's the vertice? If you need help, you could also ask Michael. Michael knows that the vertice is the pointy part. So right there, there's our vertice or pointy part. So today, when you work on your assignment, you're going to realize all of these are polygons. These are not polygons. But you're going to label how many sides do they have? How many vertices do they have? What is it? Is it a quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides? Is it a pentagon? We don't know. The shapes that you're going to see might not look like my shapes. So you need to make sure you count the sides and count the vertices to figure out what they're called. Any shape that has 3 sides is called a triangle. Any shape that has 5, 6, 7, or 8 are called these names. The only thing that's different is for 4 sides. Their last names are all quadrilateral, but they all have different first names. So you got to be aware. Good job, guys. You got this.